Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this short little video I'm just going to be replacing the pollen filters in my E60 and 5. As you can see there's one on the off side of the car and one on the near side, and then black plastic covers. First off you're going to need a 13mm socket. You can do this just by hand, and in the bottom right hand corner there you just turn it 90 degrees anti-clockwise to unlock it, and as you can see there's also a clip. So I'll just go over to this side, get a flat blade screwdriver, just pop the clip off. It's not hard, just like that. Go to the other side, do the exact same thing. Obviously on this side, as you'll see in a second, you've also got two plugs that are attached to the cover. One is for the bonnet switch, not too sure what that one's for, but they've got to be unplugged. So there will be a jump shortly, as I haven't got a tripod. That's one filter out. Didn't want to stay. It wasn't too bad, but doing maintenance service on it anyway. I'm doing spark plugs and that soon. But yeah, as you can see, look, as I lift it up, just got to unplug them so the camera goes down because you need two hands. And there it is off, and that's the second one out. Okay, they weren't too bad, but they've not been done since I had the car, and there's the new ones in. Very straightforward and self-explanatory. There's arrows on the filters for the way of the route of the airflow. So just copy how the old ones come out, providing they're in right, it should be. And that's it. Just pop in. That's the part number of the ones that I got. Not expensive, I think about 12 quid. And that's it. That's the old ones down. Time to put them back. So this side, I did clean the little bits of leaves and that out. Probably could have done with a clean in there and a bit of a hoover. But for the sake of the video, that will do. Just slide it back in. It literally just slides in at the back, drops down at the front, and that's it really. Clip 13mm. Same the other side, down back in. Slides in. It is a bit more with one hand, but as you can see, it's doable. All the wiring out of the way if it gets stuck, but yeah, clip on. Just like that. So plug back in. Very easy, straightforward job to do this. And then just another 90 degree turn, and that's it. Locked in place. Thanks for watching, and hopefully there'll be more videos soon. Bye for now.